Would you be ready to upgrade your home? Today, I'm sharing the 25 best household gadgets on Amazon that actually make life easier. No gimmicks, just real tools that work. Whether you want to save time, cut clutter, or just add some smart convenience, this list has you covered. Stick around till the end. Please like and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a legit home upgrade. So let's get started. First up, Reggie Floral Non-Slip Rug. Hey friends, if your kitchen floor is looking a little meh, the Reggie Floral Non-Slip Rug might be just what you need. It's perfect for anyone who loves that cozy, boho vibe and wants a splash of color without going full rainbow. Just toss it by your sink, in the hallway, or under a coffee nook. It stays put thanks to its non-skid backing, so no slip and slide moments while cooking. My favorite part? It's machine washable. Yup, just toss it in when life, or your toddler, gets messy. Made in the USA, built to last, and easy on the eyes. What's not to love? Price, around $34.99. Next up, Huffun Auto Mouthwash Dispenser. Alright, if you're tired of drippy bottles and guessing how much mouthwash to use, this one's a game changer. The Huffun Auto Mouthwash Dispenser is perfect for families, especially if you've got kids who go wild with the bottle. You know who you are. Just tap to pick your amount, stick a cup on the tray, and boom, perfect dose, no mess, no stress. The upside-down magnetic cups? Genius. They stay clean, dry, and kinda make you feel like you're in a sci-fi bathroom. It's rechargeable too, so no batteries to hunt down when you're half awake in the morning. Price, around $39.99. Move on. Misteam Lightweight Steam Mop. If you've got messy floors and zero patience, the Misteam Lightweight Steam Mop is gonna be your new best cleaning buddy. It's perfect for anyone who wants a deep, chemical-free clean without lugging around a monster machine. Just fill it with water, and in 20 seconds it blasts 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam, kills the grime without killing your back. The detachable handheld steamer is a bonus. It hits everything from grout to greasy stovetops to car wheels. And yes, it only weighs 4.4 pounds, so even chasing dust bunnies feels easy. Price, around $85.99. Mini 2-in-1 Travel Steamer Iron. Alright, if you hate wrinkles but love packing light, the Mini 2-in-1 Travel Steamer Iron is exactly what you need. It's perfect for travelers, college students, or anyone tired of showing up looking like their shirt took a nap. Just plug it in, use it flat as an iron or press the button to switch to steamer mode. The steamer's way better, trust me. It heats up in 5 seconds and smooths out your clothes faster than you can say, hotel laundry is expensive. It's safe on everything from silk to cotton, and the foldable handle makes it fit right into your bag. Price, around $22.99. Irereo's 45 kilopascals cordless vacuum. If you're tired of dragging a cord around like it's 2005, check out the Irereo's 45 kilopascals cordless vacuum. This beast is built for serious cleaning. It's perfect for pet owners, busy parents, or anyone who wants power without the hassle. With 45 kilopascal suction and a 70-minute runtime, it tackles everything from couch fur to carpet crumbs like a champ. You can switch between hard and soft bristles, and yeah, it stands on its own. The LED display keeps you in the loop, so no surprise battery deaths mid-clean. Price, around $129.99. Arofa Touchless Kitchen Faucet. If your kitchen faucet still needs a handshake to turn on, it's time for an upgrade. Check out the Arofa Touchless Kitchen Faucet. It's perfect for anyone who cooks, cleans, and constantly has messy hands. Looking at you, marinara sauce. Just wave your hand near the sensor and boom, water flows in under half a second, no touching, no mess. The 3-mode sprayer plus pull-down hose makes cleaning super easy, and it even shuts off automatically after 2.5 minutes. Built to last with food-grade materials and a sleek brushed nickel finish that hides fingerprints like a pro. Price, around $129.99. Sutek Zero Gravity Recliner. If you're ready to chill like a pro, the Sutek Zero Gravity Recliner is calling your name. It's perfect for backyard loungers, patio nappers, or anyone who wants to feel like they're floating without booking a spa day. Just unfold it, lock in your angle from 90 degrees to full nap mode at 170 degrees, and sink into that 4-inch thick cushion. Yes, it's as comfy as it sounds. This beast holds up to 440 pounds and comes with a cup holder, pillow, and a sturdy frame that doesn't wobble when you move. Bonus, folds up fast and easy, no tools, no drama. Price, around $70.83. Levoit Smart Humidifier 6L. If your home feels more like the Sahara than a cozy space, the Levoit Smart Humidifier 6L is a total game changer. It's perfect for anyone battling dry air, whether it's for your skin, your plants, or your snoring partner. Just fill it from the top, super easy, set it to auto mode, and let it quietly do its thing for up to 60 hours. The app control is slick too. You can tweak the settings from your couch or even while you're out grabbing coffee. Plus, it doubles as an essential oil diffuser, so your air smells as fresh as it feels. Price, around $69.98. Mini Bag Sealer. If you're ready to ditch the chemicals and blast grime the old-school way, with steam, the handheld Power Steam Cleaner is your new favorite cleaning weapon. It's perfect for parents, pet owners, or anyone sick of scrubbing shower gunk and kitchen grease. Just fill it with water, let it heat for 3 minutes, and boom, you're firing off 230 degrees Fahrenheit of pure cleaning power. With 12 accessories, it hits everything from grout lines to car seats, and the safety lock means no surprise steam burns because ouch. It's compact, easy to carry, and even has a 13-foot cord so you're not tethered to one spot. Price, around $47.48. Troizo Cordless Air Duster. Alright, if you're still buying those canned air dusters, stop. The Troizo Cordless Air Duster is a serious upgrade, perfect for cleaning your keyboard, car vents, camera gear, or even starting a barbecue fire. Yep, it does that too. With a 130,000 RPM brushless motor and adjustable speed, this thing blasts dust out of tight spaces in seconds. It comes with 4 nozzles for brushes and runs up to 85 minutes on a full charge, plus it recharges with USB-C so you're never stuck. And it's pocket-sized, so toss it in your bag, toolbox, or glove box and go. Price, around $31.99. Cole Touchless Bathroom Trash Can. If you're tired of lifting the trash can lid with your elbow like a ninja, the Cole Touchless Bathroom Trash Can is your hands-free hero. It's perfect for tight spots like bathrooms, bedrooms, or under desks. Small, slim, and opens in 0.1 seconds with just a wave. The motion sensor does the work, then closes itself after 5 seconds. No odors, no hassle. You can also pop the lid open manually if you're dealing with bigger messes. It's waterproof too, so bathroom splashes won't kill it. Price, around $26.99 for a 2-pack. Dupesu Electric Lunchbox. Sick of eating cold leftovers at work or on the road? The Dupesu Electric Lunchbox heats your food fast and evenly. Just plug it in 20 to 30 minutes before chow time and enjoy a hot meal anywhere, anytime. It's perfect for truckers, office warriors, or anyone who hates microwaving in a crowded break room. With a 1.8L stainless steel container plus a handy salad box and utensils included, it's all about convenience on the go. Bonus, it works with 110V 230V at home and 12/24V in your car. Talk about versatile. Price, around $22.79. Vampapub's Touchless Trash Can. Sick of touching gross trash cans? The Vampapub's Touchless Trash Can opens with a wave, no hands needed, and closes automatically after 5 seconds. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or any tight space where you want to keep things fresh and hands-free. Just pop in 2 AA batteries, press and hold the power button to activate, and you're good to go. What sets it apart? Its slim design fits anywhere, and it seals tight to keep nasty odors locked in. Trust me, once you go touchless, you won't want to go back. Price: $29.99. Kraus Core Workstation Sink. If you're serious about kitchen upgrades, the Kraus Core Workstation Sink is a game changer. It's perfect for anyone who loves cooking but hates clutter. This sink has an integrated ledge that lets you prep and clean right over it, saving counter space like a boss. It's made of heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, so it won't dent or rust on you. Plus, the undermount design means crumbs and spills wipe straight in, no more chasing water off your counters. The included cutting board and accessories make it a total all-in-one setup. Price: $401.09. So, which of these household gadgets caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share with your friends.